received a report from the district election officer, who also received a report from the returning officer and the ARO who was on the spot. So it appears prima facie that the whole clash was basically a kind of political rivalry. It was a clash between the two supporters belonging to ANC and the NPP, and also this clash actually started at the end of the political campaign, which ended at 4 o'clock. And in the process of returning home, a group of people had marched in a procession via Rajabala, via the Rajabala, Bazaar area to Gorodubi and Margumari, Pachkandi, and Nayagaon and Old Bhaitbari and Keradawa areas. So there was a written complaint which was received by the election agent of the NPP. There was an election complaint from the election agent of the NPP. It was received, and on the basis of that, a formal FIR was also filed, and also the magistrate in charge of the flying squad team also filed an FIR. So, as per the report, this group clash consisted of about 21 people, and most of whom sustained minor injuries, not any major injuries. And these 21 people who were involved in the clash belonged to both the NPP as well as the INC parties. So there was no report of any hospitalization. They just sustained minor injuries, and they were discharged after receiving the primary first aid. Then, as per the report that I received from the DO, 4 persons have been arrested in this connection, and also immediately the DC is also in fact imposed the section 144 in that area. And in addition to that, there's a lot of patrolling that is on in that area. The OC of Fulbari and the SP and the SDPO are reviewing that situation very closely, so that there are no further flare-ups. So as of now, the situation is under control. It appeared to be an unprovoked clash which just happened, and it was not premeditated or something. It was a spur of the moment clash, and it was quickly brought under control through these measures. I just mentioned that arrests of 4 persons have been made, FIRs have been filed, and also section 144 has also been imposed in that area. So as of now, the situation is under control, and there are no further reports of any further violations. So I have asked the DC and the RO to keep strict vigil and to report to us about any further developments in this incident.